Alrighty, guys, I could sure get used to this. Palantir's up over 2% right now, and the entire stock market is exploding. It's currently about 2 p.m., and we have the Russell up over 1%. Same with the S&P, and the Dow's up 0.8%, with the NASDAQ leading the way up over 2%. So we have to break down Palantir and the markets in this video, guys. So hit the like button, make sure to subscribe, and don't forget to get up to 20 stocks from Moomoo with at least a $100 deposit. Use that link down below or go to stocksurfest.com/Moomoo. And of course, your uninvested cash for a limited time will earn up to 8.1% APY, which that's a no-brainer. So again, use that link down below or go to stocksurfest.com/Moomoo. And with that being said, guys, cheers, stay hydrated, got the water on deck today, and let's dive right into the video. So Palantir, like I said, is up over 2%, and earlier in the day we almost hit 31 bucks, which we hit over 31 bucks yesterday. So at one point we were up well over 2%. We're talking 5%, guys, and we have seen a sell-off over the last couple of hours, over the last 2.5 hours. Nothing crazy, but we're still up over almost 2.5% now. Actually, we're over 30 bucks per share. So this is great. Again, in the midst of a pretty nice day for the overall stock market. And here on the 5-day, 5-minute, it looks like a lot of what we've been seeing, which you guys saw my video yesterday. Maybe you did, maybe you didn't, but I said that Palantir is pretty much, at least in my opinion, going to consolidate a bit now at 29 to 30 to 31 bucks per share. It makes sense considering how much it's gone up since just last Monday. I mean, guys, last Monday, Palantir was at 21 bucks per share at the low, and it got all the way to 30 bucks literally that same day when the numbers came out. So you have to realize this stock's not just going to go up and away every single day, forever, right? That'd be nice, but that's not reality, which is why I'm thinking we're going to chop around a bit in this new territory. We've been in the $30 range before a couple years ago, but now that we're back into it, I think we'll consolidate a bit, relax at about 30, 31 bucks before making our next move. And like I said, today's been a lot of just that. Even though we're up 2.4% now, we're pretty much just chopping around where we traded at yesterday at about $30.50, and the day before, right, and parts of Thursday as well. So I actually like this price action a lot on Palantir. What would have been bad would have been if, let's say, for example, this week, it's Tuesday right now. So let's say, for example, we gave back a lot of the gains from last week. Let's say if we were in the mid-20s right now, that would not be good. The fact that we're holding 30, we're getting more buying pressure, right? It looks like the bulls are respecting 30 bucks per share. That's a very good sign. And for me, guys, I'm looking at this and I'm like, will 30 bucks be the new floor for Palantir stock? I think that's totally a possibility here moving forward. And granted, the fact that the entire market has been doing well the past 2 days, yes, that's helping Palantir stay above 30 bucks here. But part of me is like, even if the markets weren't up a bunch the past 2 days, I feel like Palantir would still be holding 30 bucks considering how strong their earnings were, and more importantly, their guidance, guys. Their guidance was very strong, at least in my opinion. Let me know your thoughts, as always, in the comments, guys. And by the way, I challenge you, 150 likes on this video. Can we do it? Make sure to smash that like button, run the likes up, guys, and don't forget to subscribe to the channel as we're trying to get, I can taste it, 50,000 subs, guys. We're almost there, so make sure you all subscribe. And yeah, looking pretty good, man. We're holding above the highs from the middle of July, end of July, being about 29.50. We held that this morning in the pre-market. We popped off of it, and we held it yesterday, the day before, the trading day before that as well. So PLTR is looking pretty good. Consolidating above 30 bucks, 29 bucks. This is as much as I can ask for this week after yesterday, or not just yesterday, but last week's big move off the lows, man. So this looks really good in my opinion. And of course, you guys know if you've been watching these updates here, my target is 33.50 in the short term. That's a big spot. After that, I see no resistance until about 38, 39 bucks per share. After that, it could be going even higher. So what do you guys think? Let me know your thoughts in the comments down below. And now let me break down what I'm seeing here on Triple Q as we've seen the day progress since our last video. I did a video this morning breaking down the markets, the indexes, but now we're up even more from that video, and Triple Q's actually breaking a critical level. So I told you guys in that video, watch out for 456, 457. That was the double bottom support from a couple weeks ago. You guys might remember that. So we held that, double bottomed, and we popped, only to then dump under it again a couple of days later. We fell through 456, 457. That then became resistance. And guess what? We broke out of it today, guys. We're now at 461. And Triple Q looks like it's playing in this gap right here with maybe more upside towards 465, 470, maybe even higher. But look, now we're getting right near the 180 SMA on the 4-hour chart, which is a major resistance for Triple Q, and that's imperative to break, or it's imperative for that to break, for this to go even higher from that point. So this will still be in a downtrend until it breaks the 180 SMA on the 4-hour chart, and until it breaks the highs from the end of July, being about 475 to 480, right? So that needs to break on Triple Q, and SPY needs to break out of, let's see here, if I zoom in a little bit, I would say 555 to 560. If that's able to break, all right, that would be a clean-cut breakout. But for now, we're still under the 180 SMA. We're still under the highs from the end of July, early August. So we have to be patient here, even though SPY is breaking out of the double bottom support, which turned into resistance, just like Triple Q is. Even though that's happening, we're still in a downtrend, and we have to be careful with these ETFs until we get the confirmation of that break above 545, right? Higher than that as well. So what do you guys think about the indexes? Are you buying up the momentum here that we're seeing? Pretty much every stock on my watch list is up. All the indexes are up. So I'm curious, are you buying this momentum? Let me know your thoughts down below in the comments as always, guys. And don't forget to run up the likes, 150 likes on this video. Make sure to subscribe as well. And don't forget, the clock's ticking to get up to 20 stocks for a Moo with at least a $100 deposit, and your uninvested cash will earn up to 8.1% APY. Just use that link down below, or go to stocksurfs.com/Moo, and you might as well sign up to my mailing list for free, also linked down below. And I send you out my top 3 stocks every single Monday morning right to your email for free. So check out the links down below, guys. And with that being said, cheers. I'll catch you in the next video.